All right, welcome back to Easy Friday, our top story of the day, where the Ministry of Health has directed all national and county health facilities to prepare to handle a potential surge of new COVID-19 cases in the country.
Now, this follows an announcement by the World Health Organization of a new COVID-19 variant, christened B11529, that carries 32 mutations, which is highly contagious, with the potential for vaccine escape.
The variant has been detected in Botswana, South Africa and Hong Kong. Take a look.
In a statement, Acting Director for Health, Dr. Patrick Amoth, directed health personnel at all points of entry into the country to conduct a rigorous screening of all people arriving from countries that have reported the new COVID-19 variant. He said all inbound travelers must provide physical proof of vaccination prior to entry into Kenya. In addition, they must present a negative COVID-19 PCR test taken 96 hours before arrival into the country. In South Africa, the new heavily mutated COVID-19 variant B11529 is raising concern since it is the most heavily mutated version discovered. So far, the confirmed cases are still mostly concentrated in one province. Direct flights into United Kingdom from South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Lesotho and Eswatini will be suspended until further notice.
The early indications we have of this variant is that it may be more transmissible than the Delta variant, and the vaccines that we currently have may be less effective against it.
Back in Kenya, Dr. Amoth has encouraged all eligible Kenyans to seek vaccination against COVID-19. This comes as the High Court Friday declined to suspend the state's directive requiring anyone seeking person-to-person government services to be fully vaccinated and have proof of immunization by December 21st this year until the case filed is heard and determined.
Nobody said it is mandatory. If you don't want service in the Ministry of Health, don't come. Nobody is saying that you must be vaccinated. No, absolutely not. All I am saying is that if you want to come to my office at Afia House and have been fully vaccinated and you don't want to try the phone,
Justice Anthony Mrima gave the Ministry of Health 10 days to file their responses in the case, after which an inter-party hearing will be held. The petition was filed by a human rights activist challenging the directive, claiming the 4 weeks window within which an excess of 20 million Kenyans are expected to comply with the directive was too short. Kamchemenza for Easy Friday.